I have the best script for Jailbreak with many OP features. This script is free and keyless. To find the script, first link in the description will take you here, and once here, scroll down and copy the script into your executor. Guys, once you get the script and you execute it, this GUI will appear, and this has everything you'll need to autofarm and do other stuff. Alright guys, this middle one, the settings, this is where the autofarm is and like all the OP features. You can avoid cops and you can even have kill aura, which is OP. But anyway, script. If you click on this is where you can enable the auto rob. There we go, I'm robbing something, or the bank. Oh, there we go guys, as you can see, I'm gaining cash. Alright, there we go, almost done, almost a full bag. And there we go, we're dipping. Boom, we just escaped 3.7k just like that, easy as hell. Guys, if you think that was OP, you must drop a like right now. Alright guys, we're making moves, as you can see. We're zooming through the sky and we're robbing the bank, seems like. Boom, I'm gone, plus 3k. Guys, the script will be in the description. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like and subscribe.